another video. And today with me I have a special guest, my girlfriend Amari. And today we're going to be trying snacks from different countries, and I'll let her explain the rest of that.
So I got these for Christmas. My mom got these for me for Christmas, and she got these from Universal Yums, that's what it's called. And this box is from everywhere, it says, and then this one is food that's from Turkey. So there's a lot of different stuff. Boxes.
Alright, so which one do you want to go with first?
We're gonna start with Turkey. There's a lot of stuff, and there's like, because I already opened the boxes, you can see it's kind of looking. Yeah. That's not. Okay. Hold on, I'm gonna take all these. You can hold them up. I don't. That's like Sesame Sticks.
Euchre chip Sesame Sticks. I don't know what this is. I'll put a picture of each snack because I know you probably can't see this from here. So I'll put a picture of each snack.
Hold these up.
Huh?
Put them up.
And these are just regular potato chips. They're well, they look like potato chips.
They're chips, but I don't know what. Like, I don't know. I can't read nothing.
Some chips. We can't read this. It's
like,
in another language. I don't know what this is. They look like potato chips to me.
Miniki.
So that's what we're gonna go with. Potato chips. What is that, like a candy bar?
Miniki nougat. I'm guessing this is like nougat.
What is that?
Nougat. It's like, you know, it's in the like Snickers, like this.
Girl, what are you talking about?
And then this is.
What is this? This look like
mints.
These look like snowballs.
That's called Sade.
It's called
Sade.
Sade. I don't know what this is.
And then this is like looks like chocolatey. I'm
gonna say it's a chocolate bar. I don't know what this is.
Chocolate.
But like I said, I'll put a picture of what each one of these are so y'all can
Let
see
me just
them.
get everything out first. Where
You trying all of these?
Yeah. I'm gonna put a croissant.
Croissant. You almost made me drop my croissant.
Stop! I could have dropped my croissant.
I'll have her put it in.
I don't know. I think this is some type of bread. I don't know what this is.
It's a croissant.
Oh. It's a croissant.
Turkeys.
So the first snack we're gonna try is the potato chips.
This is what it looks like. I don't know if you can see it. That's what it looks like. Okay.
Okay.
Not
So
potato chips.
they look like potato chips.
Girl! Look at this.
Bruh.
It smells weird. Get one. Let's try it at the same time.
Oh, wait. Like Squidward.
These are actually good. These are good. These are good.
Girl, how many times you gonna say it? Ow! Ow!
There's like pickles.
He's arguing. I don't even want more.
Why are you gonna save them? You can have more.
I'm gonna eat this whole thing.
Yeah.
So what's the next one we're trying?
These are Sesame Sticks.
That sounds gross. I probably won't even take a bite of it.
I can open them. They look like
Pretzels.
pretzels. I think they're just like pretzels.
Oh!
Smell the bag. These look
Smell
like
the bag.
pretzels are like sesame seeds.
I'm pretty sure that's what this is.
Eat it.
It doesn't taste like nothing.
Because it doesn't taste like anything.
It tastes like nothing. Fail. You have failed me, my son. I don't like it. It's
I don't like it. I
put it
can't
back in the bag.
Oh wait, we'll give this one a rating. We're gonna give you a rating. What do you give this? I give this a 10.
That's a 10.
That's a 10. This is
That's
good.
a 0.
No, it's not that.
It's
bad.
gross.
Okay, well I give it like.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Alright, I'm picking up the next one.
I give this like a 3.
I don't even know what that is. What is this?
No.
Is this candy?
We're gonna wait.
Why you snatching from me?
Let's try the croissant.
I don't even like croissants.
Well, this one probably is good. I feel like this is gonna be dry. It's in a freaking bag. Ooh, it smells good.
That smells like disappointment. Oh my Let me see.
Rip it in half. It freaking. It's.
Ew! Freaking throw it away! That's gross. Why'd you take a bite? Smell it. It's like a freaking.
I give that like a.
So that's a 0. I don't like it. It smells like fucking shit. Whoever made it, it's fucking trash. We gonna try this little.
You don't have to. No, don't try them. Okay.
What?
Fine. Here.
Alright, we gonna try the Miniki Nougat. Something. I don't know what this is.
I
I'll
like
put
where
it.
the wrapping paper is. I don't know. It's matte. I like matte wrapping paper. You're taking too long.
Okay.
This looks like looks like a Snickers.
You taking too long.
Oh, wait, you want to split it?
You already put your tooth on it. I don't want it now.
I can have this side. Woo! Here. Here. I don't know.
It's actually not bad. It tastes like a Milky Way. That's what it tastes like to me. Like a Milky Way. Like a Milky Way.
I was trying to think about it. Let me tell you to say it. Like a Milky Way. Like a Milky Way. This is good.
I'm gonna eat the whole thing because I'm still full. We just left. Actually, we just had Chinese before this video, so I'm like still full. So yeah, you can just put it in.
Okay. I give this one an 8.
I like it. It tastes like a Milky Way. So. What the? Alright guys, so my light thingy died, so this is part 2. We only have like 3 snacks left? Alright, so what are you gonna try next? I don't know what's going on! Huh?
I don't know how to say it. It's like Mevlana Sakiri.
Say, we gonna try these little ice ball looking motherfucking things. Ice
Look
ball?
at the package. Sorry, I'm just like really here.
Really here?
Like I'm saying like really.
Alright, so I'm gonna try to eat the full one because with the last few snacks I've just been taking little nibbles of. I'm gonna try to eat this whole thing. I'm just taking one. This is what it.
Wait, this one. Don't eat it.
I'm not gonna eat it. I'm gonna show you what it look like. This is what it looked like. Just a little white ball. 1, 2, 3. It tastes like dog food.
This is disgusting. It is not that bad.
It tastes like dog food.
It's like soap.
I don't know why she wrong that one. So
I'm gonna make you eat one of these. You. I just totally missed. But
that tastes like dog food. That where'd it go? 0. This is a plain 0. Whoever made this, it tastes like dog food. It tastes like dog food. All right, so we got 2 more left. Which one?
Try this one.
Then you go with
I feel like this is gonna be really good.
Fucking. I don't know what this is. We gonna try this. I don't know what this is. Is this like a cookie?
I think so.
I think it's like a cookie. I'm gonna show them the whole thing.
What the heck?
Like
It's missing some sprinkles. Let me see.
It's missing 34 sprinkles.
It's missing some. I don't think we should eat it.
Girl!
Probably poison.
I don't want to break it in half. I don't want to. No. Ew. Is it like lemon?
It's pumpkin.
Come on. Girl, I didn't take the bite. You don't like it? Here. I wasn't going to taste it. I don't like pumpkin nothing.
Pumpkin. It's super dry.
Why are you going to put it back in there? Throw it away. You ain't going to eat it.
I'm not gonna eat it. Yeah, I know. There's a lot of stuff in here I'm not gonna eat. Jaden wants to try some.
Throw it away.
Jaden wants to try some.
Oh, okay. Oh, Jaden is her brother, by the way. Alright, we got one last one, and it's the little chocolate bar thing.
It's actually like really good. That's what it looks like. Alright.
Alright.
Alright. Alright.
Ew! Oh, wait, let me see. Show it to the camera.
Wait, look how it looks first of all on the wrapper. And then look how it looks.
It looks like a SOS pad. That's what it looks like. A
What is
SOS
this?
pad.
False advertisement. It's
Yeah.
like
I'm not tasting that.
I am. What the heck? Why is it?
It's not going in my mouth.
Bankrupt. Like no money on my card.
Like peanut butter. I'm not tasting that.
I'm scared.
You don't like it? Well, that little chocolate bar thing was a fail. I wasn't
I
trying that.
didn't drink.
It tastes
I don't like chocolate or peanut butter.
Shut up! It smelled like peanut butter. No. Peanut butter. Alright, so this concludes this video. I'm Dada, and this is my girlfriend Amari, and we peacing out. And give this challenge give this video a thumbs up. Alright, anyways, so like my opinion on the food from different countries, I don't like it.
This is a 0.
I don't like it. There's only two things that were good, the thing that tastes like a Milky Way and those potato chips.
No, I'm about to smack them. It's
a no-go for me. Alright, so it's not that, and I'm peacing out. Alright, thanks for watching this video. Give me a like, comment, and most definitely subscribe. Alright, peace.
Oh my god.